Jacques Cartier Bridge here in Montreal. Jacques Cartier. Oh, there you go. What a steel structure we got here. Right next to the Molson course. Wow. Magical. I love these structures. Historic bridges, historic architecture. Pont Jacques Cartier. Look at this, folks. How the bridges were made one time and how the bridges are made this time. We take the Chinese bridge construction. They span the entire, pretty much, they can build bridges spanning the entire planet today with the technology and the know-how. And look how the bridges were built in the old days. Jacques Cartier here. It's amazing. Cantilever. It's all the steel structure giving the strength with all of that. Unbelievable. Wow. Magical, magical. Taken so many years, so many lives would have been lost just to create a structure so that we can link to the other side. Wow. Amazing. Walking under Pont Jacques Cartier. Hats off to the engineers and the workmen. What a beautiful structure.